Hi, and welcome to an overview of the materials list that you're going to need for this unit, for this module. In System as Art, we're going to be using an old postcard and some drawing and collage materials. Don't use any cardboard or magazine photos for your collage materials. Some way to journal. It can be tactile, like a book you can actually hold in your hand, or it can be digital. You're going to need a system game to play. And strategy games are system games. So chess and checkers are ones you're probably very familiar with, but there are all kinds of strategy games out there, and I'm sure you're aware of some that you actually really, really love. So you're going to be playing some sort of strategy game. You will also need Office Lens on your smartphone. It's a free Microsoft app. You can just download that, and it's for all platforms. So the next unit is Freedom from Systems, and for that unit you're going to need drawing supplies, and whatever you have is fine. Some game parts, you can either buy them or you can cannibalize old games, and you can go to Goodwill and buy old games and see what they have. They usually cost $1 or $2, maybe $3 tops. Or if you want to get all fancy, you can buy some wooden game pieces, and these links that are here on the screen show you different places you can buy these things. Okay. Broken Systems is a unit on play and awareness, and for that unit you're going to need some random household pieces, maybe some game pieces. You're going to need some sort of container for your piece, and you probably have these things like laying around your house already. So if you're not really sure what I'm talking about, go to that link on the flux kits and you can see what I have in mind. We're going to be studying the fluxes and the flux kits, and we're going to be building something very similar for ourselves. Okay, so this link is very informative if you want to see the kind of end goal we're going for. In Lexicon of the Video Game, you're going to be storyboarding a video game hack, so you can just use like traditional drawing tools for that. You can bring printouts of the game you want to hack and draw over it in class. Or if you can prefer, you can work on your laptop in Photoshop and collage using Photoshop if you have those skills. So you will also be implementing a game hack of some sort using Unity. And we will be using the computers in CLCC 229 if you're face-to-face, or if you're taking this as an IRO course online, then you'll be using your own laptop or computer at home. It will need to be able to run Unity. And so in the last unit of this module, it's called the Well-Played Game, or Play as Resistance. So you'll be making a maquette, so any kind of like sculpture material you have laying around the house will work. A maquette is really just a small version of a much bigger piece, so you won't need a large amount. This is just for ideation. Some examples would be like basswood or balsa wood, plaster, clay, glue, paint, drawing materials. You may use some sort of foam board or that sort of thing. Okay. Maybe you might do some paper mache. I'm not sure. Okay. Again, I'm asking no cardboard or magazine photos. So that's an overview of the different materials you'll be using with the different units. It's nothing fancy. It shouldn't cost you hardly anything. And some of this you probably already have. So, okay, I'll see you in the first unit.